our ordinary routines will shift in ways humanity has never experienced before. We're entering a time where science fiction turns into everyday life. From intelligent machines that think alongside us to materials that can literally heal themselves, the boundaries between technology, biology, and imagination are fading. The change won't happen in some distant future. It's already unfolding around us, step by step, breakthrough by breakthrough. And by the end of this decade, the way you move, work, create, communicate, and even heal will be completely different. So, what are the 7 breakthrough technologies quietly reshaping the world right now? Let's explore how they'll transform your daily life forever. 1. Brain-computer interfaces, merging mind and machine. Imagine controlling a computer, a drone, or even a robotic arm, using nothing but your thoughts. That's not a distant dream anymore. Brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, are decoding our neural signals and turning imagination into direct action. In 2025, scientists are already testing implants that help paralyzed patients move and communicate again. The same technology could one day let you type or design in virtual reality, just by thinking about it. As machines start to understand the language of our neurons, the line between human intention and digital execution becomes almost invisible. This is where the human mind begins to merge with the future. 2. Bioprinting, creating life layer by layer. Imagine a future where doctors don't wait for organ donors. They print new ones. Bioprinting uses layers of living cells to build tissues and one day, fully functional organs. In 2025, researchers already printed tiny blood vessels and skin patches that help patients heal faster. But the real revolution is coming. Printable hearts, kidneys, and even neural tissue designed from your own cells. If successful, bioprinting could erase transplant waiting lists forever, turning hospitals into high-tech factories of life itself. 3. Terahertz Wireless, the internet at the speed of thought. Remember when 5G felt like a revolution? Terahertz Wireless is already aiming 1,000 times faster, transmitting massive data streams in the blink of an eye. In 2025, researchers are building prototype chips that can move entire movies or virtual worlds in milliseconds. This means instant communication between autonomous cars, smart homes, and even brain-computer interfaces. Terahertz frequencies can unlock internet so fast, it feels almost telepathic, creating a world where lag simply doesn't exist. 4. Affordable space travel, opening the final frontier. For decades, space travel was only for nations and billionaires. But that era is ending. Private companies are making reusable rockets cheaper and safer, turning space access into a growing business, not a once-in-a-lifetime event. In the mid-2020s, civilian astronauts are already orbiting Earth, and test flights to the moon are no longer science fiction. By 2030, a ticket to space could cost less than an exotic vacation. When that happens, your morning view might include sunrise, seen from orbit. 5. AI scientific discovery, machines that invent the future. For centuries, discovery was a human story. Observation, experimentation, and a little bit of luck. But now, artificial intelligence is accelerating science itself. AI systems can scan billions of chemical combinations in hours, design new materials atom by atom, and even suggest theories no human has imagined. In 2025, researchers use AI to discover new antibiotics, cleaner energy sources, and breakthroughs in physics that once took decades. When algorithms become scientists, human curiosity finally gains a partner, that never sleeps. 6. Self-healing materials. Matter that repairs itself. What if your phone could heal its own cracked screen? Or a bridge could repair tiny fractures before disaster strikes? Self-healing materials are turning that science fiction into daily reality. From polymers that close microscopic cuts, to concrete that grows new minerals when exposed to air and water. In 2025, researchers already use bacteria-infused cement and smart coatings that restore themselves after damage. Soon, airplanes, cars, even our clothes will be able to sense weakness and rebuild themselves. The age of break and replace may finally be over. 7. Fusion energy, powering the future of civilization. Humanity has always searched for limitless energy, from fire to coal to the power of the atom. But each step came with a cost. Now the ultimate source is finally within reach. Fusion, the same reaction that powers the sun. Recent breakthroughs have achieved more energy out than in, and experimental reactors are nearing stable, continuous fusion. If this progress continues, by the 2030s we could tap a supply so vast it could power civilization for millions of years, without pollution, meltdown, or fuel wars. Fusion isn't just another invention. It's the key to a civilization that finally runs on starlight. From harnessing the sun's power to connecting minds with machines, these technologies aren't science fiction. They are being built right now. Which one of these do you think will change humanity the most? Leave your thoughts below, and make sure to watch our playlist on mind-blowing technologies and AI tools. The future is closer than you think.